like I just broke it. Oh no! Why are they laughing at me? They're times. That's enough. We're done. Can I just go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna clean the bathroom. Materials needed are right here outside the door. You need a broom, you need the mop, Swiffer wet jet, and everything else is in the bathroom already. Best place to start is the sink. So we're gonna start with the sink. You clear off all the materials. If you feel like this is dirty and gross, you can put on some gloves. I recommend putting on gloves. It's dirty and gross because Chris Lugo poops in here on a regular basis. It gets really nasty. Put on your gloves. Now this should take no longer than 5 full minutes to do. So during continuous improvement in the mornings, if it's your turn to clean the bathroom, you should have plenty of time to do it with 5 minutes to spare. All right, first things first, we're gonna spray down the counter, or you can just use one of these wipes. They're right here on the shelf behind you. And you grab a wipe, just one, and you're going to wipe down the sink. Get all of it. You get the whole sink, you get back behind the faucet, that's where the real goo is. Why are they laughing at me? Okay, we're wiping down the faucet because people's grimy hands touch these. So you want to wipe it clean, wiping it clean, and then you want to wipe inside the sink. People pour their coffee in here so it turns brown. Wiped it down. Okay, that's it. That's done. Clean the mirrors.
We have a live training session of how to clean the bathroom because we have some filthy people over here that don't know how to clean up this stuff. Right, Taylor?
Right.
How frustrated does it make you?
So frustrated.
Ooh, that gets me steaming. Ooh, that gets me steaming. Gets me steaming. Gets me steaming. Ooh, that gets me steaming. Gets me steaming. Gets me steaming.
So now, you get your paper towels out, and everyone here should know how to clean a mirror, but you would be surprised. So everything that you need is back here on the shelf, so you put things back where they belong, and then you wipe down the mirror. I start from the bottom, work my way up. Mirror's done. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe down the toilet. We can put our glass cleaner back because this is a mess. We're gonna wipe down the toilet, the outside of the toilet. Keep your gloves on because this is the really dirty part. We're gonna wipe the back of the toilet. You're gonna wipe the handle because people's dirty hands touch it. And then you're going to wipe the nasty part. That was pee. That was pee on the back there that I just touched.
Oh, no.
So my gloves are on. And then you wipe the seat. Gross. Lift the seat. Oh my god, this is so gross. Okay, I'm gonna be a good mom one day. Okay, now you wipe down all the shit stains off the bottom of the toilet. Oh my god, this is so gross. This is so gross. This is so gross. This is so gross. Wipe it all off. Sanitize the shit out of it. It's nasty. It's gross. This is your trash pile. Don't let that shit touch the sink. Now we're going to clean that. So y'all, as guys, miss often. So that is yellow. That's pee. Because y'all are nasty. So you gotta clean up off the pee. Nasty. You can go through a few of these. So here's your wand. You just snap the bottom onto it. You get the thing wet, and then you scrub it. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Scrub. Good to go. Okay. Now this little wand guy, just like that, and we're done with that. That's disgusting. Okay, now we're going to clean off with another paper towel. We'll clean off the excess here. Put the toilet seat back down because we're gentlemen. Because you're going to wipe the top of this because it gets really dusty. This hole, and then the door handle because it's full of germs. Alright, last, you get your broom and you sweep the floors, and then you get your mop and you mop them up. Struggle. Another cricket. So, cleaned it up. You see any leftover remnants here? Just like that. Okay. Hang your broom back up on the wall. Then you're gonna replace this because that's gross. And then you start from this side so you don't have to walk through it. Oh fuck, I just broke it. I'm angry. Oh no. I broke it. Oh no. That was aggressive. It was aggressive cleaning. I have a lot of anger. Oh no. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna have to get you this one.
Okay.
You could
Okay,
still
wait,
pop
no, I
it there.
fixed it. I fixed it.
Okay.
Did I fix it? Well,
Yeah.
we'll see. Okay. Alright, we're good. Things are fine. Wait, I think it's on backwards now, or maybe? Okay. Alright. Then you walk your way out, so then I can stay in here and drive. I should have done that first. Can you edit this? And then you wash your hands because it is a really, really gross bathroom. So you wash your hands when you're done. But you don't need to get watermarks all over this mirror because it's not that hard. And we're good to go. Bathroom's clean. Good times.
Great time. How was that?
That's enough. We're done.